What if your business could think, speak, and work for you? Welcome to Business Compass LLC's Intelligent Ecosystems, where innovation meets evolution. This isn't just digital transformation, it's a revolution in how businesses operate. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out i4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Imagine transforming plain English into powerful business actions. With our language technology, you can make data queries and automate tasks effortlessly. Just say it and watch your business respond instantly. Experience seamless communication and execution. From simple commands to complex operations, our system understands and acts. It's like having a conversation with your business, turning words into impactful actions. Measure and optimize performance like never before with Performly. Gain real insights that drive growth and deliver tangible results. It's about scaling operations without the chaos. Performly provides clarity and control, spot inefficiencies, and fix them in real time. It's your tool for achieving streamlined, efficient business processes. Meet your personalized AI workforce, automate tasks, and generate insights tailored to your business needs. Assign tasks and let AI execute them seamlessly, enhancing productivity. AI for You identifies inefficiencies and addresses them instantly. It's like having a team of experts working tirelessly for your success. Embrace the future of work today. By adopting these innovations, you'll lead in efficiency and growth. Don't get left behind, evolve with us. Start your journey with Business Compass LLC and redefine your business potential.